हैव यू बीन टू एनी ड्राइविंग स्कूल? अगर आप गए होंगे तो आपको याद होगा कि when you went to the driving school, the first thing they taught you is how to apply brakes. Now ये क्यों सिखाया था how to apply brakes? Because when you start driving and you take the car on the road, you should not met with an accident. आपको एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए इसीलिए सबसे पहले आपको ब्रेक लगाना सिखाया था. We are discussing about how to handle conflicts in a marriage relationship. Now, the first thing that we learned last time was having a soft startup. Today we will learn how to send and receive repair attempts. Ye repair attempts are nothing but applying brakes. So whenever there is some conflicts or argument going on, if you effectively or very intelligently apply brakes or send or receive these repair attempts, you can de-escalate the situation. So this is what we are going to talk today. In all happy marriages, the happy couples or the emotionally intelligent couples are master in this arts of sending and receiving these repair attempts. Whereas in the unhappy marriages, even if the best repair attempt goes on a deaf ears. क्यों होता है ऐसे? Because they are already in a negative environment. The entire relationship is engulfed in a negative clouds. So they are not able to recognize each other's repair attempts. Secondly, these repair attempts never come in a sugar-coated way. Obviously, whenever there is some conflicts going on, nobody will say anything in a sugar-coated manner, right? So these sentences always comes in a very harsh or in a negative delivery. Let me give an example. Some arguments in going on between a partner, and one of the partners just shouts and say, "Can we apply a brake?" Here you can see that the tone of the word was, or the delivery was very negative. But a emotionally intelligent couple will not go by the tone, but he or she will go by the actual message or the intent of the other partner. So whenever this sort of attempts are going on, make sure that you need to see the intent of these attempts. Now, obviously, this is very difficult. So, there are some proven techniques, or I would say that there are some scripted phrases that has been developed, which couples use as the repair attempts. Now, when I am saying this, these are not the words I am saying from my mind, or I am not making this statement just for the sake of it. These are all proven techniques which are there which are being experimented on many couples, and these are all successful techniques. So when I say that there's a long list of scripted phrase, it's very difficult to list each and every phrases here, but I would just say few of them, or I would just say the main headings of those phrases. The first one is I feel that I have hurt you. I feel that I should not do this. So it starts with I feel. The second one, the most magical one, is I am sorry. But make sure that this is not just a lip service, but you are telling it from your heart. When you really communicate from your heart, the repair attempts work. For any of these repair attempts always work when you connect your partner or you say it from your heart. The third one is let's get it over. That means you need to find a common ground. Let's find a common ground, and we just let us stop these arguments here. The fourth one is stop action. As I said previously, you need to immediately apply brakes. Can we take a break? Let's stop it here only. So these are the ways you can just apply brakes immediately. The fifth one is saying I appreciate. This is one of the magical words that can really de-escalate your whatever tension is going on between your partner. And the last thing is you can say is, I need to calm down. So I need your support. I am really feeling terrible what is happening. So these words also will soften the whatever the tension that is going on between two of you. So these are few things that you can definitely try whenever you have the such situations. And my friends, it works. It worked for everybody and it will work for you as well. Just give it a try and I am sure it will work as a magic. Thank you so much. See you next time.